Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be checking out the new 2024 Toyota Tacoma bedliner from Lasfit. Now, believe it or not, there actually is a bedliner inside of this box.
There's a raft in there?
The bedliner will come folded up, so that way it can help reduce on shipping costs, and this is something that happens with a lot of other big products too. So that way you're not paying a ludicrous amount of money in order for something to be shipped to you. Now, in order for the bed mat to be able to return to its normal shape, Lasfit does recommend that you leave this out unfolded in the hot sun for 1 to 2 days. You can also pour some warm water over it to help reform its shape. Now, installation for this product is going to be extremely simple. All you need to do is make sure that the Lasfit liner is facing towards you. Go ahead and slide it to the front bulkhead of your vehicle, and there you go, it's installed. You can then go around and make sure that each of the corners are fully seated. And the cool thing about this is that if you do have a tonneau cover that has drain tubes on it, you can go ahead and leave those installed because it doesn't interfere at all with it. Now that the liner is installed, let's go ahead, let's throw some items in here, and I'll show you the difference between with and without having the Lasfit liner installed. Now, another thing to mention too is that this is going to be heavy duty and scratch resistant, so you don't really have to worry about babying it. And as you can see right through the shovel, there's no scratches present, so you are going to be getting a heavy duty bed liner with this product. Now, cleaning of this product is going to be very simple, as I mentioned before. If you got a mess in the bed of your truck, all you need to do is fold it like a taco, slide it out, and dump it. And then to clean it, all I'm going to do is hit it with a leaf blower. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour some warm water on it. And then I'm going to take a clean rag and go ahead and wipe this down. Now, you can use a little bit of non-abrasive dish soap. Other than that, I would just recommend some warm water and a rag. Then just like that, it's brand new again.